Do you want to discover how to ace complex CMA exam topics? Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn complicated topics into easy steps you can master right now. Let's tackle liquidity ratios, a hot topic that intimidates many CMA candidates. I've taught thousands of people over the years, and here's the secret. Breaking them into smaller, manageable pieces is key. Example 1. Step 1. Clearly understand the definitions. For example, the current ratio measures a company's ability to pay short-term obligations. It equals current assets divided by current liabilities. Meanwhile, the quick ratio is more conservative, excluding inventory from current assets, showing immediate liquidity. Step 2, memorize the formulas. Current ratio is equal to current assets divided by current liabilities. Quick ratio is equal to current assets less inventory divided by current liabilities. Step 3, solve practice problems step by step. Easy example. Suppose a company has current assets of $200,000 and current liabilities of $100,000. The current ratio is 2. 200,000 divided by 100,000. Gradually move to complex scenarios involving inventory adjustments. By the way, if you're new to my channel, I'm Nathan Liao. I'm the founder of CMAExamAcademy.com. I help busy finance leaders and accountants pass the CMA exam in 16 weeks on their first attempt so they can accelerate their careers and influence. I'm a certified management accountant with over 20 years of experience. Stick around and I'll show you how to grab my free exam cheat sheet to get started. Example 2. Step 1. Again, understand the definition of the concept you're studying clearly. The quick ratio specifically tests a company's immediate ability to cover liabilities without relying on inventory. Step 2. Repeatedly write the quick ratio formula. Quick ratio equals current assets less inventory divided by current liabilities. Step 3. Solve another practical example. Suppose a business has current assets of $250,000, inventory of $50,000, and current liabilities of $100,000. The quick ratio equal $250,000 less $50,000 divided by $100,000 equals 2. This indicates excellent immediate liquidity. Tell me in the comments, what CMA topic do you find most challenging? And here's a bonus tip. Explain the concept out loud, even if it's just to yourself. Teaching what you've learned reinforces your knowledge and highlights any gaps you might have missed. Remember, no CMA topic is too big if you break it down. Try these steps today and let me know how it goes. If you want to learn more about the CMA and pass your exam on the first try, download my CMA exam cheat sheet in PDF format. It includes the 9 best strategies to ace your exam, and the download link is in the description. If you're struggling to balance work, CMA exam prep, and life, you're not alone. Watch this next video to discover 7 proven strategies to stay on track, manage your time effectively, and pass the CMA exam without burnout.